Hi guys, welcome to Kiloview Unboxing Lab. This is Roy. With the current rapid development of audio and video technology, more and more audiovisual intelligent solutions tend to be networked, digital, and networked, which is not only convenient for the construction and the maintenance, but also easier for future upgrade and expansions. More importantly, the cost can also be reduced, and that makes NDI technology gradually adopted by more and more users because of its high image quality, low latency, flexible and mature ecological applications. NDI is widely used in various sports events, medical teaching, conference applications, and other industries. As we all know, NDI technology contains full NDI and NDI HX. And NDI HX includes NDI HX2 and NDI HX3. Different brands and models of the software and hardware products on the market support different NDI formats. So, is it a little bit confusing when choosing an NDI codec? Some time ago, Kiloview launched a new HDMI to NDI all-round codec N6 that can perfectly meet your need. N6 is a super cost-effective product that can convert the videos between HD 1080p60, HDMI, and NDI. So today, we are going to unbox our N6. First of all, let's open the package. We can see the product menu, warranty card, N6 itself, all kinds of cables. Okay, by the way, I had to mention this. This is a cable help you to convert the USB from Type A to Type C. It's very useful. Of course, we have a cool shoe. That's all the contents for the package. The design of N6 is very small and exquisite. If we compared with the palm of an adult, it is about a little bigger than our palm. Besides, the weight of N6 is only 272 grams. It may be a few tens of grams heavier than the iPhone Pro Max, and we can easily fix it on the camera without affecting normal shooting. Let's look at the back side. There are two HDMI ports. When encoding, N6 can input and output the video at the same time. And during the decoding, it can support HDMI output. In addition, we can see a gigabit internet port with a PoE function. That's to say, we can only need to plug in the network cable to start using the N6 normally. Of course, there is an independent power supply interface with a wide voltage design of 5 to 12 volt. It can also be very flexible to match our various usage. It can also be easily powered by a power bank or the camera battery. In addition, at the front of the N6, there is a USB interface. Through this interface, we can expand many powerful and practical functions by matching our Kiloview series of applications. For example, we can use USB headsets to match our KIS to realize the voice call intercom. We can quickly switch in the output sources when decoding via an external USB keypad. We can also directly realize the control of the PTZ camera through the USB to a serial port 9. Of course, N6 also supports PTZ control over IP. Let's look at the front of N6. N6 is equipped with an LCD screen. which can provide real-time viewing of various information such as the device's network status, video resolution, tennis status, CPU, IP address, and temperature, and so on. Now let's turn it on with a PoE. We can see some touch buttons. You can see the CPU information, the memory information, the temperature, and the IP address, and so on. All of the above operations can be done through the LCD screen. To briefly summarize, N6, as a member of the Kiloview NDI series, not only supports full NDI, NDI HX2, and the NDI HX3, but also achieves encoding and decoding, and has PoE power supply, TENI, PTZ control, voice intercom, and other functions. Well, this is the end of our N6 unboxing video today. If you are interested in Kiloview NDI series products, you can follow us to explore the solution of IP-based video transmission and solutions.